Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are not doing a makeup video, we are doing a clean with me video. I have loved these videos for so long and I just decided to do one. You have seen my nastiness of a room, and this is just a realistic New York room. So I hope you guys have fun watching my video as I do with all the other clean with me videos on YouTube. So I'm going to start off by putting away all of my filming equipment and all of my makeup that I have on this desk right here, because this is where I usually do my videos, and I just finished filming like 3 videos before this video, so this is me putting away everything. Please do not mind this very stained desk. I literally do not know what happened, but this is where I put all of my makeup, if you didn't know. This is me just organizing all of my makeup. Now we're gonna tackle my dog's area. He doesn't really sleep on this bed. He usually sleeps with me, but I usually keep his area clean because we don't want it to be all nasty and gross for him to sleep on, even though he doesn't sleep on it. But here you see me folding his little blanket, putting his toys away, folding his little clothes and putting it in a specific place. And then I'm just sweeping up a little bit because there's a lot of things that I have to sweep. And as you can see, I literally put a packet of water near my bed because I really need water all the time. And this is me finally cleaning my bed. Wow, it's been forever. I usually put my bracelets in this little candle thingy, and I use this $1 antibacterial spray from Dollar Tree because no one got time to be spending it on method cleaners because I don't have money. And this is me just cleaning these shelves that have not been cleaned seriously since I've put them up, and I've never cleaned these frames either, so wow, go me. Guys, I was literally struggling to fold this blanket. I mean, I'm an adult, I know how to fold a blanket, but this time it was just hard to fold. Like, it took me a while, so don't mind me. On this specific day, I didn't really need to wash my sheets, so I just folded it back up because they were still clean apparently, so who knows if they were clean or not, I don't really remember. But I'm just cleaning my bed, putting all the blankets on the bottom of my bed because that's how I really like my blankets. Okay guys, so now we have to tackle this part of the room. I've been avoiding this part of the room, but it's not that bad. I really have to just put away some things in my closet. No, I'm not going to do a cleaning of my closet. It will take like 10 hours because like me and my sister share this closet, and like she doesn't want to throw away clothes and I barely have clothes, so it doesn't really matter. But this is me cleaning this part of the room. It's usually just clothes. Like, I usually just put clothes on the floor when I don't want to put them away, so that's why it's so much. I took off my socks because I thought it would look ridiculous, and I'm taking out my gym clothes from my gym bag, even though I do need a new gym bag or something like that. And then we're just going to clean the table with my $1 antibacterial spray, and we're just going to put everything back on the table. As you can see, we're going to be moving on to my sister's part of the room. We're going to do her nightstand, sweep around a little bit, and then move her little art supplies that she has, and then we're going to do her bed as well. Now we're going to be moving on to the dresser part. There usually is a lot of more things on it. You're like lucky that you don't see a lot more things on here. And we're just going to clean it up a little. We're just going to wipe down everything as well. And like maybe ruin some electronics like the TV and the cable box with this spray. But like it don't really matter, right? Does it? Do people even watch TV anymore? Now we're just going to take some things that don't belong here to the kitchen, and literally there's like a ton more things, but like you're seeing the good parts of my room sometimes. So I ended up finding this puzzle and I just wanted to put it away because I haven't assembled it in like 2 years because I got it for Christmas like 2 years ago, and I literally put the bag behind my bed. I usually don't do that, but like today I was like, maybe just today, you know, I'll do it when there's like camera rolling and everybody's watching me. So the last thing I needed to fix was my bookshelf, and this is where I keep most of my perfumes and everything. I was looking a lot at the camera because I didn't know what angle to do it, but eventually I found the great angle and just kept it like that. But I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. I recently cleaned this, so it didn't really have to be cleaned that much. This was actually the last thing I had to clean for my room, which was very exciting, and the last thing I just had to do was sweep up the garbage, and then we're done. If you liked this video and if you want to see more of these videos, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to watch videos like this and also beauty videos as well. After seeing me sweeping, you're going to see some before and afters. I know everybody likes to see before and afters, and I like to end the video that way. Thank you for watching me clean my disaster of a room, and this is a new type of video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!